Brother Sewing Machine XM2701 is the best brother sewing machine. The art of sewing has been an integral part of human history, dating back centuries as a means of crafting clothing, quilts, and various fabric-based creations. In the modern era, sewing machines have revolutionized this time-honored practice, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. Among the plethora of sewing machines available in the market, one name that stands out for its versatility and reliability is the Brother Sewing Machine XM2701. The Brother XM2701 has earned a reputation as a go-to crafting companion, catering to both novices and seasoned sewers alike. Its intuitive design and host of features make it a popular choice for those entering the world of sewing and crafting. From basic mending to intricate quilting, this machine boasts an impressive array of functionalities that empower users to unleash their creativity and bring their ideas to life with ease. In this article, we will delve deeper into the pros and cons of the Brother Sewing Machine XM2701, shedding light on its exceptional features that have won the hearts of many sewing enthusiasts. From its user-friendly interface and diverse stitch options to its portability and affordable price, we will explore the advantages that make this machine a valuable asset in any sewing workspace. However, we will also be candid about its limitations, such as the absence of adjustable speed control and the absence of an extension table, which might affect specific users' preferences. As we embark on this journey to uncover the essence of the Brother XM2701, we invite you to discover why this sewing machine has garnered praise from both beginners dipping their toes into the world of sewing and seasoned crafters seeking a reliable companion for their creative endeavors. So, whether you're a budding sewing enthusiast or a seasoned pro searching for your next sewing machine, read on to find out if the Brother XM2701 is the perfect fit for you. The Brother XM2701 is a popular sewing machine that has earned its reputation for being a reliable and versatile crafting companion. With a wide range of features and functionalities, this machine caters to beginners and experienced sewers alike. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Brother Sewing Machine XM2701.